What is up, guys? It's your boy Soldier here, back at it again with another video. Hope you guys are having a great day. Like I said in the last video, I will be dropping the truck, just a little 2-inch drop. If you guys haven't subscribed yet, make sure to subscribe. We're literally 8 subscribers away from hitting 5,000 subscribers. Maybe when I uploaded this video, when you guys are watching it, I'll probably have 5K subscribers. So thank you guys so much for the support. Can't believe we're about to hit 5K. So yeah, make sure to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video and let's get to it. One thing that I hate about this truck, it has no AC, and in California right now, it's fucking burning balls right now. Right now, we're gonna go pick up a jack for my boy Oscar. So let me borrow one, cause I have a cheap ass one. So catch you guys right. Damn, 01. What's up, bro? Shout out to the boy Dope. He let me borrow the jacks. He let me borrow the fucking grinder. We might have to be cutting the fenders from the back. So we're gonna go to the store and get a Red Bull real quick. And I'll catch you guys right now. You know, we gotta get the Red Bull. This one's fire. The watermelon, if you haven't tried it, make sure to try it. This one's fire. Alright, let's go back to the house and install the parts. You know, you gotta keep it safe right now. Got the lights on deck. Oh shit, I got another Lysol. What the hell? Wait. Alright, these are the shackles. It should be giving me a 2-inch drop. Correct me if I'm wrong though, because I have no idea if it is or not. If you guys know, let me know. But I'm pretty sure it is gonna give me a 2-inch drop. What I'm gonna do though is drop the right side 1 inch and the left side 2 inches, because it's kind of leaning on the right side a little bit too much. So I heard that this fixes the issue. Hopefully it does. And hold on, turn the music down. Sorry for the lawnmower in the back, but if you guys think I know what I'm doing, I have no idea what the fuck I'm doing. So yeah. So yeah, let's get it started with. We're gonna be installing the traction bars also. I took them off to do some donuts. I already has the brackets on. I took them off to do some donuts, and then don't really think. And the truck was kind of bouncy, so we're gonna slap it on and try them on again and see how the truck does. If not, I'm gonna rebuild the diff. So yeah. The boy Oscar came to help me because I couldn't get that shit done. Alright, we got the stock shackles out. You can see. Sorry for not showing the process, but let me get under and show you guys. Probably can't see either. No, you're not gonna be able to see. Oh yeah, they're right here. Oh, they're right here. Basically 2 bolts only. Taking this bolt off, the one on top, and just mess around with this thingy so they can come out, and then you slap on the 2-inch shackles, and that's it. Pretty easy. We are gonna put new shocks on it because it's super stiff right now, so we're gonna put the shocks. Probably won't record nothing of it again because I want to get it done already and show you the after. Catch you guys right now. We're gonna slap this lowering shocks on because these are leaking, and especially it's so stiff, like super stiff. So basically for these, it's only 1 bolt. Just unbolt it, and the same for the top, and it'll come straight out. So yeah, I just slapped the new one back on. Very simple. Put the bolt, same thing goes for the top. The bolt goes inside. Wiggle it. Spit on it if you have to. And boom, there you go. So I just have to bolt it back on, and that's pretty simple. So far everything's running smooth. Oh my god, the camera looks bad. This truck is running pretty smooth. I haven't noticed a problem. So yeah, it rides good. I like it. I'll show you guys the outside right now in a bit. I'm gonna go wash this truck, and I'll catch you guys right now. Well, there's the Mamalona, guys. A huge difference. I will put a before and after picture right now. So yeah, huge difference. I'm in love with it, man. I'm sorry I didn't post what I was doing. Honestly, I have no excuse. I just forgot about it. But yeah, man, this is the final product. It come out wet, man. I do have to get this cut off. Look, I'm already rubbing bad. Fuck. So yeah, I'm gonna have to cut that. And it should be good. And then another thing, I need to get a C-notch on it because it hits the frame like at any bumps or anything. It hits it really bad. But yeah, I like it.
Yo no soy lucido, mucho menos presumido, pero sí me doy a respetar. A los envidiosos verán como los detesto, porque no más hablan por hablar. Pacas de billetes produciendo diariamente, pues mi meta ha sido duplicar. Odio las mentiras, pero adoro a mi familia, y por ello yo voy a luchar. Y la crudelota llevo en mi pecho, ranchito que no he de olvidar.
Alright guys, hopefully you guys liked the video. We're back home. This wasn't like a tutorial or anything. I just wanted to show you guys how much of a difference a 2-inch shackle does to your truck. I do want more like a Catalina, so hopefully later on I could do that. And if you're new to the channel, make sure to subscribe. We're almost at 5K. If not, if you're watching the video, we're probably at 5K already. But yeah, just like the video, subscribe, and I'll get back to takeover videos as soon as this corona is over. And yeah, if you guys want a full tutorial on how to do this, I will drop the link down in the bio. I forgot his YouTube name. It was this guy that I was watching, and that's how I learned how to do mine. I just drop it down below if you guys want the tutorial. I just wanted to show you guys the differences between the stock and the 2-inch, and then it made a fat difference, you know. Yeah, and I love it, man. So yeah, with that being said, I will catch you guys later.